How to change your username ID on REDnote app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your username ID on the REDnote app. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, start by opening the REDnote app and make sure that you're logged in to your account. Once you have opened the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And in your profile page, you can see the option labeled profile. Simply tap on that, and from here you can simply tap on the second option. And for this video I'm simply gonna tap on that number and delete the 2 digit from it. Once I have done that, I'm gonna simply tap on save, and there you go. That's how you can easily change your username ID on REDnote app. With this, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.